Students will be beginning with the session shortly. Please be online.
Students, can you see my whiteboard?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Kirti madam.
Yes, sir.
तुम्ही
So we have to share entire screen, or is there any other option?
first of all you share entire screen, then click on whiteboard. You will be able to share the screen.
Okay. Yes, thank you, sir. Yeah, students, please be with me. Yeah, give me just 2-3 minutes more. We will start in 2 minutes.
And directly share your screen.
Okay.
Share your entire screen.
1 minute, sir. I have logged in using SyncSers login. Just 1 minute. Give me a few minutes. More, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Just please let me know whether the whiteboard is visible.
Yes.
Okay, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Okay. Now, what is visible, sir? Whiteboard or my screen?
Your screen now.
Okay. Now, fine. Yeah. So, okay. So my mail account is here.
Yes, your mail. I can see your mail account, email ID.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Now you can see the whiteboard.
Yes.
Now whiteboard is visible, sir, or what document is visible?
Word document.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Students, are you able to see the whiteboard?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it clear? Suppose I am writing anything. Is it clear?
Yes,
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 ma'am. Yes, yes. Yes.
yes.
Yes. Okay. Fine. Thank you, Morisa.
So welcome, ma'am.
Neeti ma'am, you have taken on with the session?
Yes, ma'am. You can start now.
Okay. Good morning, students. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to one and all. On behalf of Zeal Education Society and Zeal Group of Technical Institute, I welcome you all to this Level Up series based on logical reasoning today under the MCA CET preparation. This is organized under the able guidance of Dr. Jayesh Katkar, Secretary, Zeal Group of Institutes, Dr. Ashwini Sovani, Head of Management Programs, and Professor Uddhav Shid, Director Academics, Zeal Education and Society. I now take an opportunity to introduce our society, the Zeal Education Society. The Zeal Education Society was established in the year 1996 under the expert guidance of Sri S.M. Katkar to provide quality education. Over the years, it has made a mark for itself as a renowned institute in the Pune region. The Zeal Education Society offers a team of highly qualified staff, state-of-the-art infrastructure and extraordinary vision. Every student who becomes a part of the Zeal family marches out of the campus with top-level confidence and abilities to be competent enough to face the cutting-edge competition in the corporate world today. The society believes in imparting quality education from KG to PhD, owing to which we have Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Zeal Polytechnic, Zeal Group of Management Institute for MBA and MCA, Gyan Ganga School, Gyan Ganga Junior College, Gyan Ganga College of Education, and Silver Crest School. We also have a Zeal International School at Sangli. All the courses provided by Zeal Education Society are approved by AICT New Delhi, recognized by DT, Government of Maharashtra, and affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University. All the institutes under the Zeal Education Society focuses on imparting quality education. And as a part of our continuing quality initiatives, we have organized this level up sessions for MBA and MCA aspiring students, wherein we train students to come up with all the queries and solve their queries. The queries are resolved, and MBA and MCA preparation for CET is made for students. Today's topic would be logical reasoning. We have an eminent speaker and a guiding faculty here. She is Professor Kirti Samrit, who has an experience of total 15 years into teaching. She is associated with our institute, Zeal Group of Managed MCA with 12 years of experience. She is working as an assistant professor and she has completed her master's in computer application. She has various research papers to her credit in international and national conferences. She is an eminent faculty and we are very much privileged to have her on board today to guide us on the topic logical reasoning. Over to you, Kirti ma'am, you can take over.
Yeah. Thank you very much, ma'am, for beautiful introduction. Yeah, a very good morning to all the students. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, thank you. Few tips whenever we join online for any sessions. Okay. If you have any questions, you can raise hand or you can post it on chat box. Fine. So that it will not disturb our whole session. And again, if you have difficulty, if you are asking any question, unmute yourself, and after asking question, immediately mute yourself. Okay. Otherwise, there can be a chance of background noise. Fine. So just give me a few minutes, student. And okay. So I hope the students who have joined, you all are from graduation background.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
And yes. So the basic difference that I want to tell you,
Yes.
I think most of the students, you are going to appear for MBA program and MCA program as well as, fine. But again, remember students, for MCA entrance exam there is a negative marking, okay, and the portion is vast and tough as compared to MBA entrance exam, because in MBA entrance exam there is no negative marking, that you have to remember, and for MCA program there is a negative marking in entrance exam. Again, the maths is of your 10th and 12th mathematics, okay, and some computer fundamentals questions will be there. Okay, so again you need a practice. Fine, I hope you have learned lot many from the previous sessions, Dr. Rahul More's session, Supriya Kadam ma'am's session. But again, student, if you are not doing practice, then it will be of no use. Okay, just taking knowledge is not enough in case of mathematics. The practice is must. Means daily you have to spend minimum 2 hours if you are preparing seriously for the entrance exam. okay, either for MBA or for MCA. Then to get a good score, definitely you should practice minimum 2 hours. I am saying minimum, fine. Those who are doing more than 2 hours, then it is great, okay. And start with one topic daily, okay, fine. And practice minimum, not at least minimum, try to do the practice of 5 to 10 questions on similar ground, okay. And yes, for MCA students again, and for MBA students as well, uh, the cutoffs is going to high day by day, fine. So again, for MCA students, since last year it is of 2 years course, so most of the maximum students are applying for this course, and again the competition is getting tougher, fine. So last year maximum student, they did not get admission, okay. So around 22,000 students have applied for the MCA course for entrance exam, and only there are around 6,500 seats available in Maharashtra colleges, fine. So you can understand the difficulty level, fine. So yes, I hope everyone has muted themselves, fine. It's let. Okay, so 1 minute, student. I think my screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. There is no need of these things. Fine. Yes, students. Initially, what I have planned to do. Just give me 1 minute. Take your chat box. Just one. Okay. You will get a link. Hello, did you receive? Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you have to click on that link, and you have just 10 minutes. You have to submit the test. Okay. You just have, because after 10 minutes, yeah, I will not allow students to give the response. So fine. So you have just 10 minutes to solve that test. Yes, click on that link and let me know if anyone is having any difficulty to submit the test. And students, my gentle request, don't Google, okay? Try to be honest, because those who are submitting the answers, they have to explain the answer as well as, fine? So be honest. Don't try to find the answers on Google, okay? Try to solve it by yourself. Is there anyone who is having any problem while solving the test? Any permissions needed? I think, yes, Kajal and Kamachi Dhule. Yes, Kajal, may I know your difficulty? येस काजल.
लिंक ओपन होत नाहीये मॅम, दिसतच नाहीये मला.
Okay, check your network. Okay,
हम्म.
first log out and then again log in.
ओके.
Hello, Kamaji Dhule. Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any difficulty? Because you have raised your hand.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, I got 14 responses. Eighteen. Yes, do it fast, students. Okay, Datta Jadhav. Datta Jadhav. Actually, I have posted one link of test. Okay, fine. So if you join late, now wait for a few minutes. Yeah, now 10 minutes are over. Students? Yes. So now I got, hello. Now I got 26 responses, fine. So I will consider only those responses. Okay. So see student, these are the score. Okay, you can see now because the entire screen is visible to all of you. Yes, can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, so you can see the marks. Okay, Siddharth, Shaheen, Mayuri, again Anita, Sahil, Namrata Kadam, Aishwarya. Okay, good. I think the highest marks is 7. Very good. It's a Siddharth Sangre. Hello, Siddharth is there? Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Yes, I'm there.
Yes, Siddharth. Yes, Siddharth. So, yes, Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am. I'm available.
Yeah. Can you share your paper or notebook with me where you try to solve this example? Students, everyone. Again, one instruction for all of you. That keep paper pen with you today because you have to solve the answer and you have to share your paper with me, okay, so that everyone can see the answer, everyone can see your method, how did you solve. Yes, Siddharth, can you share your notebook or wherever you solve the answers?
Actually, ma'am, I didn't solve it on notebook.
Okay, then how did you calculate?
I did those things in my mind, ma'am.
Okay, so you have applied your logic.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, fine, students. Yes. What is the purpose of conducting this test, student? I just want to know because see, student, whatever the time limit will be given for your entrance exam, again, as per calculation, you will get just 30 seconds to 45 seconds for each question. Okay, fine. So those who find difficulty, do your practice regularly. Fine. Now let me share the whiteboard with. Is it visible, student? Everyone, please let me know.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Good. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now I'm writing down here something I want answer. Okay, I'm writing down here. Suppose 5 zeros here. Okay, is it visible, student?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, one more 6 is there. Fine. Now I want answer here 6. I want answer 6 here. You can use any symbols, any operators. You can use division operator. You can use subtraction operator. You can use addition operator, anything, any operator, any symbol you can use, any mathematical symbol you can use, and I want answer 6. Yes. Can anyone tell me how we can calculate it as 6? 6 zeros are there and I want answer 6. Just think, student. Anything comes in your mind? Because today,
All zeros can be replaced by 1.
sorry?
All zeros can be replaced by 1 with an addition sign.
No, we cannot replace 0. We cannot replace 0 by 1, 2, 3 or anything.
Can
Any
we
number.
add another digit, ma'am?
Yes?
Can we add another digit including zeros?
No digit. No digit. I told you that you can add operator, you can add any symbol. No digit. No alphabet, no digit.
Factorial of 0 is 1, so 0 factorial 0 plus addition sign.
Yeah, very good. May I know your name?
Alankar.
Alankar. Thank you very much. Yes. Thank you very much. Yes, student, this is the correct answer. What we can do here, we know that, see student, 0 factorial. Sorry, 0 factorial. Okay. So 0 factorial means 1. I hope everyone knows that 0 factorial is equals to 1. So what I can add here, fine. So 0 factorial, okay, 0 factorial, 0 factorial, yes, and I can add the operator plus. So in this way, 0 factorial means 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. So I will get the 6 answer here. Yes, thank you, Alankar. Thank you very much. So those who could not apply the logic, try to understand, student, here. See, student, why I have taken this problem or this puzzle, because today we are going to discuss the logical reasoning. Okay, so in the previous sessions, you might have learned the quantitative aptitude, in which we applied various formulas, various shortcuts, various tricks. Okay, but whenever we talk about the logical reasoning, everything should come from your mind, from your logic. Again, you have to apply your logic. Definitely there will be also tricks. Okay, there will be also formulas. Okay, but again, the major part here you have to focus is about applying your common sense, applying your logic. Okay, so see here, 0 factorial is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now, whenever we talk about logical reasoning, students, there are various topics. If we solve the problems related to age, okay, again, we have to correlate. Fine. If we solve the problems about the number series or letter series, fine. There are problems based on the assumptions, okay, then statements and conclusions. Fine. So many problems, logical puzzles are there. So variety of problems will come under the logical reasoning. And again, it's really impossible to conduct within a time span of 1 or 2 hours. So what we are doing today, we will start with 1 or 2 topic today, and again in the coming sessions, we will I will cover the remaining part. Right? I hope I am audible and the whiteboard is visible to all of you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yeah, thank you. Okay, so the first part that we are going to start is about the coding and decoding. Okay, about the coding and decoding. Now, yes, I hope I try to use the mouse. Coding and decoding. Actually, I have given some examples in test and we are going to solve those examples. Okay, we are going to solve those examples. But before that, some tricks. You might have solved the examples, like suppose my name is Kirti. Okay, for example, my name is Kirti.
मैम आपको स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही? हेलो मैम,
Hello, yes,
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही मैम?
स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है आपको? आपने अभी ज्वाइन किया है?
नहीं मैम, पहले से ही ज्वाइन किया है।
Okay. Other students, am I visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
visible.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah, those who are unable,
No.
those who are not unable to see, please log in again, join again, leave the meeting and join again. Okay. For example,
ma'am.
students. Yeah. For example, suppose then my name is Kirti. Okay, and Kirti is coded as. Let us take example. Suppose Kirti is coded as ITRIK. For example. Okay, fine. So you might have seen such problems where you will be given some string of letters, you will be given some letters or will be given some symbols, and you have to convert it into the coded part. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to discuss how to solve such questions. Okay, and even in test I have given you some examples. Fine. So yes. But before solving any examples, what I will try to do, I will try to give you some tips how to solve this. And remember, student, whenever I think you will have enough time and you will get a blank paper. So whenever you will go for exam, so try to write down some formulas and some tips in advance. Okay, try to write down some formulas and tips in advance. So same here. For solving such problems, what you have to do, first you have to write down all our alphabets, okay, A to Z, fine, all your alphabets in sequence, fine. So now remember there are 26 alphabets, okay, and which one is the middle alphabet? Suppose we will take M. What is the position of M? I think 13.
13.
Position of, yes, the position of A is 1, the position of M is 13, and the position of Z is 26.
26.
Fine, yes. So just write down all the alphabets, okay, on paper, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H up to Z. 1 minute, my text box likhe. Just give me a few minutes. Okay, fine. So in this way, you have to write down on paper A, B, C, D, E, F. But remember, the M is your 13. Fine. The position of M is your 13. Fine. So you should know the position. Fine. Now, again, suppose you will be asked to find out the reverse. Okay, you will ask to find out the reverse of any alphabet. So remember always, to find it. Now suppose if I ask you the position of G, then it will be easy. So write down the position of each letters, each alphabets. Fine. Now suppose in example, you will have to calculate the reverse position of G. Now tell me what is the position of G? I'm just asking position of G, not reverse.
7.
7. Okay. Now if I ask you to find out the reverse position of G, then how you will calculate?
26 minus 7. 19.
No. Again, remember always, whenever we will calculate the reverse position, so it will be
16.
always. Yes, but for quick calculation, always remember, always minus from 27. Always minus from.
17 is answer.
Yes. G की position क्या है अभी? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the position of G? It will be 20. Okay, it will be 20. So always remember this formula. Everyone, please keep paper pen with you or keep notebook and pen with you. Write down each and everything, because I'm going to ask you questions and you have to calculate accordingly. Fine. So always remember this tip. The first thing that you have to do, you have to write down all the alphabets. Fine. Then write down their positions 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, if you want to calculate the reverse position of any alphabet, so just 27 minus, write down the subtract that position. Suppose G hai, so G ki position is 7. So 20 minus 27 minus 7, 20. Okay. So immediately you will get. For example, S. Now tell me what is the reverse position of S. Immediately tell me.
8.
Okay.
8.
Fine.
8.
Yes. So yes, student. Okay. So remember this useful tricks. Again, few things, student. Suppose I am coding anything. For example, I am coding. Suppose I am coding as a cat. Okay. You will be given suppose cat as a C D, suppose E B C T U V. Okay, so now suppose this is a simple example. Okay, so cat can be coded at E as ECV. Now what is the logic behind this? Cat is coded as ECV.
original letter से 2 letters आगे.
Yes, fine. So simple. So whatever the logic, whenever you will solve the example, just write down the logic here. See here, this is C. C plus 2. C plus 2 means C plus 2 means E is there. So here E is there. Then A plus 2. The pattern is same. Okay. So always whenever you will solve the example, always write down the pattern. Whatever the pattern, it can be a negative also. -1 pattern can be also there. For example, now A, B, C. Then again T, U, V. So V is there. Then plus 2. Okay. So cat can be coded as ECV by using the pattern +2, +2, +2. Okay. So same way, suppose I have taken suppose word dog here. Okay. Suppose let us take dog word here. Okay. So here suppose the code is O, LMNO, and the G is F. Okay. Now tell me the pattern. The dog is coded as CPF. The dog is coded as CPF.
-1 alphabet.
-1.
Ah, so DC means -1. Then OP means
+1.
+1. And then G to F means
+1.
+1, -1. Yes. See, student.
-1 +1 -1.
-1 +1. So this is the pattern. So every time, student, whenever you will write down any examples, fine. Whenever you will solve, I always, hello, please mute yourself. Those who have unmuted, please mute yourself. I already told you initially. Yes. Okay. Fine. So see, student, whenever you will solve example, write down pattern always. And it is not necessary that always there will be some pattern. Some other logic may be there, fine. But this is the best practice that we will always try to find out the pattern, fine. So this is again one useful trick. Okay, now we will solve some problems and simultaneously I will tell you the tricks also, fine. So actually, most of the time we use the Microsoft Teams, students, so that's why I'm not that much handy with Google Meet. Just give me few minutes. If you can suggest me anything, yeah, for erasing actually. Is there any option where we can select and erase all, or we will take new clear frame? Yeah. Yes, good. Fine. So student, so now everyone has that pattern A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. I hope, because now you have to solve the example. So definitely. Now suppose, student, let us take example. I have already asked you in that test. suppose the word is sunshine. Okay, the word is sunshine, and I had told you that the sunshine is coded as suppose T V O T I J O F. Okay, I think few students have solved this example, but again for other students I just wanted to explain you how we will code this. Now what will be the moon? What will be the moon? That will be question mark. Suppose sunshine is coded as this, then how we can code moon? Now the first thing that you have to do is, student, first write down the word properly. Sunshine.
NPPO.
Just 1 minute. Yeah, those who know the answer, have patience. Okay. Yeah. Sunshine is coded as TVOTIJ. Just उसके नीचे आपको लिख लेना है. Fine. TVOTIJOF. Now tell me the pattern. What is the pattern here?
+1.
+1 alphabet.
+1. Simple. Yes. +1. STUVNOSPHIIJNOEF. So moon will be coded as, yes,
NPPO.
NPPO. So moon will be coded as, that is simple. Please mute yourself. Immediately mute yourself. NPPO. Okay, that is the answer. Very simple question. Okay, fine. Now another question. Now suppose, student, your code, let us take suppose there is a word wrong. Okay, there is a word wrong, and wrong is coded as GNORW. Okay, wrong is coded as GNORW. Now what will be, suppose RIGHT word be coded? Yes, wrong can be coded as GNORW. Then how we can code right word?
THGIR.
THGIR. Okay, but actually THGIR is not in option. The options are given. Let me give the option. Suppose let us HIRGT, then suppose CHIGR, then
Ma'am, GHIRT.
GHIRT, then suppose RGITH. Let us take. Okay. Yes. What is the answer?
GHIRT.
Why?
मैम क्योंकि जो फर्स्ट का हुआ है तो सेकंड वाले में हमें जो अल्फाबेट्स होते हैं स्टार्टिंग से किया तो ये आंसर आएगा, क्योंकि ऑप्शन जो देखेंगे ऐसा ही आता है फिर.
नहीं, you have to prove this. Why? You have to prove this. You have to explain this answer to your friends, those who have joined online. Suppose wrong is coded as GNORW, then why? How right is coded?
Alphabetical order.
Alphabetical order. Okay. So yes, students, see here again the pattern is different. Now again you have to apply your common sense or apply your logic. Now normally student do what? The opposite of wrong is GNORW. Okay, so just wrong को हमने उल्टा लिख लिया GNORW. Fine. Right को हम लोग उल्टा लिख सकते हैं like this THGIR. But this is not in option. Then what will be the answer? ठीक है, so यही सब लोग गलती कर लेते हैं that it seems to be so easy. Okay, but it doesn't mean that your option is wrong. It doesn't mean that this option is wrong. Fine. Now how we will apply the logic? what logic will be there? This is your wrong answer. Hello.
ascending order, ma'am.
Arrange them in alphabetical order.
Yes, we have to arrange it in alphabetical order, ascending or descending. So this is one concept again, student, ascending and descending. Yes. Yeah. Now, yes, what will be, how we will write down the right word? Suppose, first we will write down the wrong word. Okay. Wrong. W-R-O-N-G. Wrong word. Okay. Wrong को कैसे लिखा है उन्होंने? G and O as it is, then R, then W. Okay, now can you tell me which order here? Which order here?
Ascending order.
Ascending order? Fine, ascending order, ascending or descending order?
Ascending order.
W to G, W to G, which order is there?
Descending.
Descending, yes. R to N? Hello?
Descending.
Then O is same, O is same, then NR
Descending.
and GW,
Increasing.
N2R is descending or ascending?
Ascending.
Yes.
Ascending.
Yes, yes. So student, please mute yourself, please mute yourself. Okay. So this is the case, student. That's why I told you that initially you have to write down A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all this. गलती से भी हमारा जैसे अभी N और R डिसेंडिंग बोल दिया था तो वैसे गलतियां होती है. फाइन. So sometimes we try to be over confident. Fine. So don't do this. Just keep that paper in front of you. Fine. Find out the pattern. Now same we will write down the R, I, G, H, T. Okay. We will find out same for R, I, G, H, T. Now what will be the answer?
GHIRT.
Yes, tell me.
MGHIR.
Yes. Now what logic I should apply here? RIGHT. R का ये क्या होगा?
Descending होगा.
हाँ, तो descending क्या है?
G.
G. I का?
H.
H. G का?
I.
RT.
Yes, correct. H का? R. And here T.
T.
Okay, fine. So this is your answer. GHIRT. So here what logic is applied? Descending and ascending.
Ascending.
Here the logic. Okay, fine, student. Here the logic applied is descending and ascending. So there is no pattern. Means like +1, -1. So every example is different, student. Every example is different. So that you have to remember. Every example is different. Fine. Okay.
Yes,
now, yeah, fine. So sometimes initially you will feel that just wrong का उल्टा ही लिखा हुआ है तो हम right का उल्टा लिख लेंगे. नहीं, it is not like that. Fine. So that is one again ascending and descending. So remember this key point also. In patterns, even number series also, there can be ascending or descending. Fine. Now next example. Let us take the word snow. Snow is coded as 7100. Okay, snow word is there. Again in numerics, it is coded as 7100. Now how wall will be coded? You got the question? Snow, yes, snow word is coded at 7100. Now how wall will be coded?
मैम वो वर्ड का न्यूमेरिक में निकालेंगे जब पोजीशन एडिशन कर देंगे.
Hello, yes, position, fine, yes, okay. Now,
4800.
yes,
4800.
yes, yeah, 4800 is the correct answer. Why, student? See, I am going to explain the answer. Those who don't know, suppose here the snow word, okay. What is the position of S? What is the position of S?
19.
19.
Okay. What is the position of N?
14.
14.
14. What is the position of O?
15.
15. 15, correct?
15.
Yes. And what is the position of W?
23.
23.
23. Now do the addition. Do the addition. Sorry? 71.
28.
Correct? 20. No. 20, 30, 40, 50, 59 plus 4, 63, 68, 68 plus 3, 71. So answer is 71, student. Okay. Now here, actually I have not given you the options, but 00 is the extra part. 00 is the extra part. Please mute yourself once you gave the answer, please mute yourself immediately. Yeah, okay, fine. So snow is coded as 71. Why? Because see 00 is the extra part, but here the pattern has been changed now. So again your ABCD will be useful here. You know the position of S is 19. You know the position of N is 14. Just do the addition. Just do the addition. Okay. Now same way we will solve the WALL. WALL. Okay. So the position of W is
23.
23 plus the position of A is 1. Position of L is?
Answer is 48.
L. What is the position of L?
12.
12. 12 plus again 12. Now perform the addition.
48.
12 to 7, 24, 25. Yes,
48.
fine. And again 00 is the extra part.
Extra.
Because the options are given like 4800, 2300, whatever may be. Okay, fine. So this is your answer. So this is one pattern, okay, that you can check. Please mute yourself. Hello, student. Please mute yourself. Okay. Yes. Fine. So in this way, you can code using different patterns. One more example, student. Let us take any other example. Suppose there is a code CAP and it is coded as 61. Okay. Now how pen will be coded? Question mark. Yes. Now tell me, cap is coded as 61. Now how pen will be coded?
मैम रिवर्स पोजीशन में जो भी इनका काउंट आएगा वो एडिशन कर देंगे.
Yes.
16.
What we will do here?
मैम रिवर्स पोजीशन.
Okay, reverse position. Yes. Here there will be a reverse position. Now what is the reverse position of C?
24. 24.
24. What is the reverse position of A?
26.
26. What is the reverse position of P?
11.
11. Now perform the addition.
61.
61. Okay. Student, please mute yourself. मेरा ही आवाज मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है. Student, this is very disturbing noise. Please mute yourself. Shubhangi. I told you every time, students. Fine. I told you every time that if you are unmuting yourself, immediately you have to mute yourself after giving the answer. It's really disturbing whole class. Fine. So the reverse position of C is 24. The reverse position of A is 26. The reverse position of P is 11. So total is 61. Fine. So same way we will calculate for pen. Any one student only. Let me ask the question to any one student. Okay. Yeah, Rutuja is there. Rutuja Bedekar.
Yes, ma'am.
Rutuja Bedekar will give only the answer.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, Rutuja, tell me what is the reverse position of P?
P is 11.
11. What is the reverse position of E?
22.
22. What is the reverse position of N?
13.
13. Do the sum. What will be the answer?
46.
46. Okay. Yes, correct. Okay. So student, this is one pattern. Okay. 46. Okay. Where we can apply this pattern. Fine. For the reverse. So student, in each example, you have to identify the pattern. Okay. Sometimes it can be a reverse. Sometimes it will be. But again, remember student, you have to find out the immediately, because it will be a time consuming, and just on an average, just imagine that you will have a 30 to 45 seconds for calculating this. Okay. Now let us take another example. Now that student will give the answer. Fine. Only I will take the name. Suppose yes, mouse is coded as, suppose PNUFT. Mouse is coded as PNUFT. Then clock. What will be the coded word for clock? Okay, let me check. Yes, hello, Pawan. Pawan is there. Pawan Beauty. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Pawan, please tell me the answer. Yes, Pawan, mouse is coded as PNUFT. Then what will be the answer for clock? Try to apply the logic, Pawan. What could be the possibilities? Or suppose I am writing down here mouse word. Okay, I am writing down here mouse. The coded word for mouse is PNUFT. Okay, PNUFT. Now, what pattern you could find here, Pawan? So you can say here UU is same, UU is same. Now find out the pattern among this. Suppose MNOP, LMNOP, MNOP plus 3 will be there. O, LMNO, no. SF, no pattern is matching here. Reverse pattern also you can calculate here. Again, any other pattern? Yes, Pawan, can you find out the pattern?
I can't find.
Okay, Pawan, see, okay, fine. So, okay, yes, no problem, Pawan, I will explain. Fine, thank you. See, student, now here +1, +2 or reverse position pattern is not matching. So what we can do here, just identify UU is same. Now you can check, cross check also about the remaining alphabets. See here, LMNO OP, OP इनके बीच में पैटर्न है, क्या पैटर्न है? +1. M और N के बीच में क्या पैटर्न है? +1 या -1?
-1.
+1.
+1.
+1, ठीक है. S एंड T के बीच में क्या पैटर्न है?
+1.
+1. EF के बीच में क्या पैटर्न है?
+1.
+1. Fine. Mute yourself. Now we will see the clock. Okay. So we got the pattern. So see student, for each word you will get a different pattern. But again, remember student, you will have a question that ma'am, how we will find out each time pattern? So again, practice. Fine. Now I am telling you different patterns that you can analyze, okay, while solving the problems. That is my today's purpose, that I am taking each problems individually, having individual pattern. Why? Whenever you do the practice, you can apply this logic immediately. Okay, initially you will get a time maybe 2-3 minutes or 4 minutes, but once you do the practice regularly, definitely you would be able to solve it within 30 seconds or 1 minute. So now again, what will be the pattern here? Clock. For clock, 1 minute, just 1 minute. Pawan, hello, Pawan, 1 minute. Pawan, hello, Pawan. Hello, Pawan. Yes,
Hello,
can you
ma'am.
tell me the answer now? I have told you the pattern.
MDOLD.
Hello, I have told you the pattern. L के बाद क्या आता है? पवन जो है वही आंसर देगा. पवन जो है वही आंसर देगा. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
What comes after L?
M.
Hello, Pawan. Yes, Pawan. Are you
Hello, ma'am.
attending the session? Hello. Yes, tell me.
MDOLD.
L के बाद M,
MDOLD.
C के बाद, yes, correct. MDO, C के बाद आएगा आपका D and K के बाद आएगा आपका L. Okay. So the final answer is this, MDOLD. Yes, thank you, Pawan. The final answer is MDOLD. So you have to check crosswords also, cross alphabets also. Okay, fine. So this is one pattern. One minute, let me clear the frame. Now student, another question. Okay, again some different pattern here, and I have already given you in the test. Those who scored less mark, they can understand. Okay, now suppose, yes, radar is coded as, suppose star question mark, then let us take star, then question mark, and suppose that there was a symbol hash. Okay, fine. So radar is coded as this, star question mark and hash. Fine. So now how? And again one more letter is given. Suppose door is coded as question mark, percent symbol, let us take percent, then percent, and then hash. Okay, fine. Now see student, radar is coded as this, door is coded as this, then dam will be coded as what? Fine. So now who will give the answer? 1 minute. Yeah. Sarala, hello. Sarala Aher is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Sarala.
Good afternoon to you, ma'am.
Yeah. Are you getting the concepts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me the answer? Suppose what will be the coded word for dam?
No, ma'am.
You can calculate. You can just try to apply the logic, Sarla. Suppose radar. I'm writing down the radar. Okay, so radar is coded as this star, question mark, star, question mark, and hash. Okay, now the door is coded as question mark, then percent, and then hash. Okay, then what will be dam? Yes, Sarla. Any logic? Hello, any logic?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah, those who, anyone knows the answer, you can raise your hand. Okay, I got the answer from Rutuja and Bhagirathi. I think Bhagirathi was there, yes. Yes, Neha Shinde. She has also given the answer. Neha, Bhagirathi and Rutuja. Yeah, Shrikant Gaikwad. Shrikant, can you explain me the answer? Hello, Shrikant.
Yes.
Can you explain me the answer?
Yes. So for them, we know two symbols for you, hash and star.
No, why dam? You have specified the answer for dam. What is your answer? Just let me check. Shrikant, star hash slash. You have given the answer star hash slash. Okay.
Yes.
So I'm writing down here star. और क्या था? Hash. Hash and slash. Yeah.
Slash.
Why this answer? Yes. Yes, Shrikant, tell me. Hello, Shrikant. Yes, Shrikant. So sometimes student, we Google it or we find out the answers online, fine. But remember the pattern and remember the method, how we have to solve such examples. Okay. So student, look out this word radar. Okay. In radar, how many letters are repeating? RR is repeating, AA is repeating. Okay. These are the repeated letters or alphabets. These are the repeated alphabets. And same here, the symbols are also repeated. Question mark is repeated and star mark is repeated. Fine. So here, now R is repeated. So the value of R can be a star, okay, or it can be a question mark. Okay, remember why? Because we don't know whether it is a star or question mark. But again, A is also repeated. So the value of A can also be a star or it can be a question mark. Fine, this is about the radar word. Now see the door word here. Now here in door word, O is repeated. O is repeated means here the value of O will be percent symbol. Okay. Now D and R, it can be a question mark or it can be a hash. Now see student here, suppose if we take question mark here, why? Because in the radar word, R can be a star, R can be a question mark. Now suppose I have taken here R as a question mark. Okay. And बचा क्या है आपका D. D will be your hash symbol. D will be your hash symbol. Okay. It means that the in radar also the R will be a question mark, and this R will be a question mark, and A will be your star mark. A will be your star mark. Is it true or not? Can we take it as this or any other thing? We know here, student, that in radar word, R can be a star or question mark. Why? Because both are repeated. A can be a star or question mark because again, these are the repeated symbols. Same here. Just I will erase
Excuse
this.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But I have a query. For radar word, why it is a star or a question mark? Why it can't be a star or a hashtag?
Because in radar word, R is repeated alphabet and A is repeated alphabet. So we need a same symbol for both the alphabets.
Okay,
Right?
okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Got it. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah, welcome. Okay. Now here door. In door word also the same case is there. OO is repeated. So here percent symbol is repeated. So directly we can say that the O is percent. But now we have a question mark about D and R. Whether the value of D is question mark or hash. Yes. Now can anyone tell me what is the value of, what will be the value of D or R? Now, any logic, just whatever I have written here, just look at the screen. You will get the answer. I have given hint. R can be star question mark, A can be star or question mark, O will be definitely percent symbol. Now what will be D or R or A, so that we will get the answer of dash.
D can be hash, ma'am.
D can be star.
D hash.
D is hash. Star.
D will be hash.
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 Yes, D will be hash. Why, student? See the radar. In radar, A can be either star or question mark, R can be star or question mark. तो बचा क्या है अभी? सिर्फ D बचा है. Okay, the pending part is only D. So D will be definitely hash. D will be definitely hash. In radar, okay, D will be definitely hash. So same way, suppose D is hash. So in door also D is hash. It means that R क्या होगा फिर?
Question mark. Question mark.
Question mark.
R will be question mark. अगर R question mark है तो A क्या होगा?
Star.
A star होगा.
Star.
A will be star. Now what will be damn word then?
Star hash slash.
Hash star slash.
Yes.
Ma'am, but value of M we don't know, na?
Yes, the value of M is not known. The value of M is not known. Now here, student, again, the answer is dependent on your choices. Okay, the answer is dependent on your choices. I have not given you the choice. Now suppose here I am giving you the options, and the options are, suppose the options are, the first option is, suppose first option is, let us take question mark, hash, and then percent symbol. Okay. Second is star, hash, question mark. Now the third and option is star, hash, slash. Okay, and the fourth answer is question mark, hash. Now tell me which is the answer. Yes.
Option 3.
Which will be the answer?
Option 3.
Option 3. Okay, fine. Option 3. But again, remember, student, don't you think this is a time consuming question?
Ma'am, I have a question. मैम हमने क्वेश्चन में देखा ही, मतलब जब हमने सॉल्व किया तो आंसर डी का हैश आया था, राइट? एंड ए का आया था स्टार. और ऑप्शन में दिया है स्टार हैश एंड ये अपना स्लैश, तो उसमें से आंसर कैसे सिलेक्ट करें कि कौन सा वाला आएगा करके, क्योंकि इधर DAM दिया है।
Yes. सोचो again. Yes, that is again trick. Yes, just think for a while.
मैडम
Hmm.
m की वैल्यू नहीं देते तो स्लैश
हाँ,
बाकी
M को छोड़ दो,
हम्म
M को छोड़ दो. Now tell me why the answer is damn is
मैम
third
हमने
option.
क्रॉस किया है D और A के वैल्यूज को क्रॉस किया है हमने, और M को कांस्टेंट रखा है क्योंकि उसका वैल्यू नहीं है।
सबका
Yes.
वैल्यू है ना उस ऑप्शन में, m का नहीं था।
M का वैल्यू नहीं है, करेक्ट है. That you can even see from the options, even you can find out the answer directly. Isn't it? इतनी आपको प्रोसेस करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, इतनी प्रोसेस
Yes,
करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. फाइन, बट अगेन व्हाई आई हैव एक्सप्लेन हियर, बिकॉज समटाइम्स दिस कैन बी आल्सो अ पैटर्न. तो ऐसे वक्त आप ऐसे सॉल्व कर सकते हो. नाउ फ्रॉम ऑप्शंस यू कैन टेल मी द आंसर्स. From options you can tell me the answers directly. Why? Because see, in the first option question mark hash percent symbol is there. Fine. So again percent is a part of radar and door, or hash is a part of this radar and door, and question mark is also part of radar and door. Okay, for M is not given, so first option will not be there. Star hash question mark, again it is a part of radar and door, तो M के लिए तो कोई है ही नहीं. Again fourth option देखो, fourth option is question mark and hash. ठीक है, अगेन M के लिए कुछ नहीं है, तो बचा कौन सा कि जिसमें स्टार भी है, हैश भी है और स्लैश है, दैट इज डिफरेंट. सो डायरेक्टली यू कैन फाइंड आउट द आंसर हियर, यू कैन फाइंड आउट द डायरेक्ट आंसर हियर. Okay, from the even students. So sometimes the purpose of taking this question is sometimes your options will give you the answer. It is also possible that your options will give you the answers. Okay, fine. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Students, yeah, there are okay. There are various techniques or there are various pattern matching like this. Now, can you tell me the answer of few questions? Suppose, just 1 minute. Let me clear this screen. Okay. Now let us ask. I just wanted to ask you one question. Same way. Suppose the word fire. Okay. Sorry. Let us take fire or. Okay. 1 minute, student. I will take a question from our this. I asked you few questions. Yes. You can see. Yeah. We will take this question because I just wanted to take another pattern. Can you see this question? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me copy paste it. Fine. Now, can you see this question? In a certain language, okay? I asked you in a certain language, 321 means cup of coffee. 426 means coffee is brown. 796 means bears are brown. Now, which of the following represent RS is in that language? Please mute. Hello, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Hello. Please mute yourself. Yeah. Student, the question is like this. In a certain language, 321 means cup of coffee. 426 means coffee is brown. 796 means bears are brown. Which of the following represent is word, is word? Let me ask this question.
Beers are brown, ma'am. Hello?
1 minute. Yes.
4.
1 minute. Yeah, who's speaking? Please tell me your name.
Ma'am, Kamaji.
Kamaji, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Kamaji, can you explain your answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, coffee and ma'am, coffee is hot, but beers is cold, ma'am. Coffee is brown, and cup and brown is, ma'am, couple. But beers are brown is not couple, ma'am.
See, the options
As
are, see, let us, I have just typed here, the options are 1, 5, 6, 4. The first option is 1, second is 5, third is 6, and last one is 4. Kamaji, can you tell me now? These are the answers.
C, ma'am. C is various, ma'am.
6 is the answer.
Beer is various, ma'am. Is not couple.
Okay. Fine. Another student. Okay. I think Omkar. Omkar has given the answer. Omkar, hello.
Hello.
Yes, Omkar. Can you tell me the answer? Can you explain your answer?
हाँ मैम.
Yes, Omkar.
मैम मैंने तीनों की वैल्यू लिख ली. कप ऑफ कॉफी इज ब्राउन एंड 796 की बेयर्स आर ब्राउन. और उसके बाद पहले दो वैल्यूज लिए 3 to 1 और 4 to 6. उसमें दो की वैल्यू और इसमें कप ऑफ कॉफी एंड कॉफी इज ब्राउन. कॉफी सेम है और इधर भी दो सेम है, तो कॉफी की वैल्यू मैंने 2 ली. और बाद में 2 और 3 के लिए तो ब्राउन सेम है और 6 मतलब ब्राउन की वैल्यू 6 ली मैंने.
Okay, so we will go one by one.
Yes, yes.
1 minute. 1 minute. We will go one by one. Omkar, na?
हाँ.
Yes, Omkar. Now see, student, first 3 to 1 means cup of coffee. Okay. So now find out the word. Suppose this coffee. Okay. कॉफी A में भी है, कॉफी B में भी है. ठीक है, तो A में कॉफी और कॉमन लेटर देखो यहाँ पे 3 to 1 4 to 6, तो 2 कॉमन है. 2 कॉमन है मीन्स we can indicate 2 for coffee. Correct, Omkar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will indicate 2 for coffee. Done. Now come to third C. That 796 means bears are okay, second maybe or third maybe. So 426 means here the word is brown, and even in C word is brown. Now match the letter. Here 4 2 6 is there, 7 9 6. So 6 is matching. Okay, so 6. We will use 6 for brown. Okay, we will use 6 for brown. Okay, now tell me which of the following represent ease. अब ईज देखो कहाँ पे है. कॉफी हो गया आपका, कॉफी का है 2, ब्राउन का हो गया है 6, और ईज किस में है? सिर्फ सेकंड लेटर में, मतलब 426. तो इसमें बचा देखो कौन सा बचा है? सिर्फ 4. बिकॉज या स्टूडेंट सी हियर 321 में ईज वर्ड है ही नहीं, सी 796 में ईज वर्ड है ही नहीं. फाइन. तो ईज वर्ड अब किस में बचा है? सिर्फ बी में. बी में 2 इंडिकेट करता है कॉफी, 6 इंडिकेट करता है ब्राउन. ओके, मीन्स द रिमेनिंग इज 4. सो 4 इज योर आंसर. दिस इज योर आंसर.
Thank you,
For
ma'am.
example, yes. Thank you, Omkar. Thank you very much. Okay, so in this way, student. Now suppose I ask you instead of which of the following R represents. अगर मैंने R पूछा तो नहीं यार, लेकिन बेयर्स का दिया नहीं उन्होंने. फाइन. 6 इज है तो 7 और 9 में से कोई भी R हो सकता है. फाइन. ओके, फाइन. सो that could not be a valid question. Fine. So student, I hope you got why the 4 is the answer. Why 4 is the answer. Okay. Now let us take another question. We will wind up in 5 to 10 minutes, student. Fine. So in the next part, in the next session, we will continue with the next part, that we will see the problems on ages. Okay. Now, yes, I just okay. Suppose the question is, student, this is this question is just you have to apply the logic. Fine. Here actually we are. It is not related to your that pattern. Fine. Coding, decoding. Just I am asking you this question. Few questions I just wanted to ask you. Suppose okay, मुझे options भी यहाँ पे select करने होंगे. Just give me. Okay, see here, student. Can you see this Google form?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, you fine. So you are able to see the answer also. Now see here, cup is to coffee as bowl is to soup. Bowl is to soup. Soup is the answer is given, student. Okay, but again you have to identify, student, the relationship between first two words, cup and coffee. Okay, cup और coffee के बीच में क्या relationship है, that you have to identify. Always remember the first part में जो relationship दिया है उसी का आपको identify करना है. Cup is to coffee means bowl is to soup. So some eatable is there, fine, drinkable. Sorry. Okay, some drink is there. That coffee is in cup, so soup is in bowl. Another question is, now see student here, exercise. Exercise is to gym as eating is to क्या आएगा? Dieting आएगा.
Restaurant.
हाँ, why restaurant?
एक्सरसाइज में जिम में एक्सरसाइज करते हैं और खाने के टाइम पे हम रेस्टोरेंट पे जाते हैं यूजुअली.
Yes, very good. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, fine. These are very simple. So I hope. But again, I got the marks. I will share that response sheets. You can see till now 7. Siddharth. Siddharth is having 7 marks. Vishal is having 7 marks, and Rutuja Kale. So 3 students are score 7 marks out of 10. Fine. So this is the these 3 students are topper. Now just last again, I just want to ask few questions, student, in general. Okay, general questions, because you have already learned the part of quantitative aptitude. Can you tell me the answer of addition of first addition of first 50 odd numbers? Yes. Can you tell me the answer of this within 30 seconds? Addition of first 50 odd numbers. Jaldi. Addition of first 50 odd numbers. Same way, addition of first 50 even numbers. Same way, suppose if I ask you, tell me any number, suppose I am typing any number. Okay. Is it divisible by 12 or 11? So within 30 seconds, you should be able to know whether it is divisible by 11 or 12 or 9. So do you know the formula, student, for the same? Already more than 30 seconds. So see, student, there are standard formulas to calculate this. Okay, so I just wanted to share it, and then we will stop for the today. Is it visible, student?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so remember this some tricks, right? ओके ये तो सभी को पता होगा, एनी नंबर टू द पावर 0 मीन्स ऑलवेज 1 होता है, ठीक है, ये सभी को पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है, एनी नंबर टू द पावर 0 इज ऑलवेज 1. नाउ रिमेंबर दिस ट्रिक्स. एक मिनट, हाँ ये हमेशा याद रखो स्टूडेंट. अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 इफ इट्स यूनिट डिजिट इज एनी 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, ये सभी को पता होगा. फाइन. अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 इफ द सम ऑफ इट्स डिजिट इज डिविजिबल बाय 3, ठीक है, ये हमेशा याद रखो. कोई भी नंबर आपको दिया रहेगा वो 3 से डिविजिबल है क्या, इमीडिएटली अगर आपको बताना है तो जस्ट डू द एडिशन ऑफ ऑल द डिजिट्स, एंड इफ दैट एडिशन इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 इट मीन्स दैट इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 4. अगेन अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 4 इफ द नंबर फॉर्म बाय लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स, लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स का एडिशन करना है आपको सिर्फ, ठीक है. मैंने सपोज आपको ये नंबर दिया था, ये नंबर, ये मैंने पूछा आपको कि 4 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं, तो आपको सिर्फ लास्ट 9, 6 का एडिशन करो. 9, 6 मीन्स 15, तो ये 4 से डिविजिबल नहीं है. राइट. तो नोट डाउन और यस रिमेंबर दिस ट्रिक्स. फाइन. कि 4 से डिविजिबल है तो क्या चेक करना है. नाउ अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 5, ये तो बहुत आसान है, 0 या 5 से हम लोग. 10 और 5 का बहुत आसान है. अगेन अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 6 इफ इट इज डिविजिबल बाय बोथ 2 and 3, तो आपको 2 कंडीशन चेक करने हैं, 2 की भी और 3 की. 2 और 3 से डिविजिबल है मतलब 6 से है. अगेन 8 से अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 8 इफ द नंबर फाउंड बाय लास्ट 3 डिजिट स्टूडेंट. ओके 4 के लिए लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स था, 8 के लिए यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट द नंबर फाउंड बाय लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स शुड बी डिविजिबल बाय 8. ओके. अगेन 9 के लिए a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. ठीक है. So yes, can you tell me now is this number is divisible by 9? जल्दी बताओ मुझे, quick. 2, 4, 5 seconds, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. जल्दी स्टूडेंट्स, आई वांट आंसर विद इन 30 seconds.
Yes.
Is it divisible by 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you have done here, you just add all the digits and check whether the that sum is divisible by 9. 10 का सिंपल है, 0 या ये रहा तो. 11 का ध्यान में रखो. 11 से अगर डिफरेंस है, a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digit at odd places. इसको थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा आपको कैलकुलेशन के लिए. If the difference of the sum of its digit at odd places and the sum of at even places is either 0 और अच्छा odd places और even places, इनके बीच में का जो भी subtraction है, difference बोला है, ठीक है, जो भी difference है वो either it should be divisible by 0 और 11. अगर ऐसा है तो इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 11. फाइन. ठीक है. और एक 12 के लिए ध्यान में रखो, 14 के लिए भी है. अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 12 इफ इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 4 and 3. सो हमेशा याद रखो 4 और 3 से है मतलब 12 से है. सेम लाइक अ 6. अगेन अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 14 इफ इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 as well as 7. ओके. सो सम इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रिक्स यू हैव टू रिमेंबर हियर अबाउट 11. 11 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं. सो दिस कैन बी ऑल्सो अ क्वेश्चन. कोई आपको नंबर दिया जाएगा और इमीडिएटली हम लोग मैन्युअली तो कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते. सो रिमेंबर दिस ट्रिक्स. एंड यस, सम ऑफ ऑड नंबर, इवन नंबर, तो देयर इज अगेन फॉर्मूलाज फॉर दिस. एंड अगेन सी स्टूडेंट हियर, there is a formula for odd numbers. What we have to do here, post 50 आपको पूछा है, ठीक है. मैंने आपसे क्वेश्चन क्या किया था, what is the sum of first 50 numbers? Okay, sum of first 50 odd numbers. So simple student, what you have to do here, just 50 divided by 2 करो. 50 divided by 2 it means 25. Okay, और उसका स्क्वायर करो, उसका स्क्वायर करो. Same here. See, what is the sum of all odd numbers up to 240? The answer is this. And how we get this answer? Simple. Note down the formula. 240 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, जो भी नंबर आपसे पूछा है उस नंबर का फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एंड देन डू इट स्क्वायर। तो आपको कितना भी बड़ा नंबर है स्टूडेंट, आप इमीडिएटली within 30 seconds you can calculate, just divide it by 2 first and then square it, you will get the answer। तो 50 का कितना आएगा अभी? What will be the sum of all odd numbers up to
2500.
Yes, correct. Okay, so yeah, again yes, for even numbers or for any, hello, इवन के लिए सिंपल फॉर्मूला है n इंटू n प्लस 1, जो भी नंबर है आपका, ठीक है, फाइन। अगेन we have to divide by same 120। okay, suppose what is the sum of all numbers, odd नहीं, sum of all numbers up to 240, or what is the sum of first 50 numbers, just not odd not even, forget it। मैंने से पूछा आपसे कि what is the sum of first 50 numbers, what is the sum of first 50 numbers? Yes, अच्छा सिंपल कर देती हूँ, मुझे बताओ व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 10 नंबर्स। ये तो मैन्युअली कैलकुलेट कर ही सकते हो आप। ओके, और आसान कर देती हूँ, व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 5 नंबर्स?
15।
ओके,
10।
$55 first 10, ma'am 55,
yes,
55, 55,
okay, first 5, okay,
First 10, ma'am.
okay, now tell me what is the sum of first 5 even numbers?
6.
Sum of first 5 even numbers.
$30.
30, okay, fine। So there is a formula for calculating, because I have given here just 5. Suppose I told you to calculate 50, then how you will do it? It is not possible to calculate manually. So the simple formula, student, here, n into n plus 1, okay, always remember this formula to calculate the even numbers, n into n plus, odd का formula मैंने already बताया है, n by 2 and then square it, ठीक है। ये even का formula है n into n plus 1, so मैंने 5 का बोला आपको, 5 into 5 plus 1 means 6, तो the answer is 30। ऐसे अब आप 50 का कैलकुलेट करो, what will be the formula for 50? 50 into 51, tell me the answer। 50 into 51, that will be your the sum of first 50 even numbers, the sum of first 50 even numbers। hello,
25, 50, 2550,
2550, okay। So remember, yes student, so remember these formulas, okay, note down these formulas। if you will get any number, यहाँ पे मैंने 500 भी कर दिया, 5000 भी कर दिया, fine, यहाँ पे, because I'm writing down here 5000, you can immediately calculate this, fine, 5000 into 5001, okay, immediately you will get the sum. Okay, so these are some formulas, shortcuts to calculate, and there are many more formula, student. Okay, fine. So I hope you understood today's session, and did you enjoy it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So in the coming session, student, what we will do, we will see the remaining part, okay? Because today I wanted to cover the statement and assumption parts also, but somehow it is not possible, because in logical reasoning, I told you there are various topics, okay? So we will see one by one. So can we stop here for today?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, okay,
Yes.
fine, yeah. Just 1 minute. Okay, thank you very much, students, for your quick response. And please follow some rules whenever you join online. I told you every time that if you say any answer, immediately mute yourself, okay? CET exam date, yeah, the question from Rutuja. CET exam dates are not yet declared, but the form filling for MBA and MCA both are started. So fill up the form, again one input, those who are from category, first prepare your documents, okay, caste certificate, non-creamier and validity. Because while filling the form, they are asking about the documents also. Otherwise, if you don't have right now any document, you can select as open also. ओपन से फॉर्म भर सकते हैं, उसके बाद भी आपका कैटेगरी चेंज हो जाएगा, सो दैट इज नॉट एन इशू. सिर्फ आपको 200 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा लगेंगे, और अभी आप ओपन से फॉर्म भरे और उसके बाद आपने कैटेगरी के डॉक्यूमेंट्स दिए तो वो कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं, सो दैट इज नॉट एन इशू. बट फिल अप द फॉर्म. फॉर MBA स्टूडेंट लास्ट डेट इज 17 जुलाई. MCA के तो अभी स्टार्ट हुए हैं, क्योंकि यस, सो रिमेंबर दीज थिंग्स. अगेन ओपन कैटेगरी के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, मराठा कैटेगरी हो, ओपन कैटेगरी हो, ट्राई टू गेट द डॉक्यूमेंट इनकम सर्टिफिकेट अगर आप EBC के लिए एलिजिबल हो, और EWS सर्टिफिकेट जो है, क्योंकि ओपन के लिए EWS इज अलाउड. तो आपका मैंने बताया ना 60 प्लस, सपोज अवर इनटेक की 60, तो हमारे यहाँ जो सीट्स है EWS की वो 6 है और TFWS की 3 है. तो यू कैन क्लिक फॉर TFWS ऑल्सो, लेकिन TFWS जैसे सिलेक्ट करोगे, immediately it will ask for your income certificate, your parents income certificate. Okay, so prepare those documents, fine. And yes, if you have any difficulties, I am writing down here my number, contact number, fine. This is Kirti. Okay, you can contact me on this number 9359809742 for any help. Okay, if you feel any problems in form filling, or if you need any help in MBA or MCA admissions, or any course admission, you can contact me on this number. Okay, thank you, students, thank you very much.
Ma'am, can we have the question papers for practice? If any
Yes, you will definitely have. See, right now I have conducted just 10 marks test. Same way you will have a mock test. Okay, same way you will have a mock test. Once we finished with all these topics, okay, you will have a mock test before your entrance exams. Don't worry, we will conduct multiple mock tests.
Okay, ma'am.
Can we get recorded session?
Yes, Aishwarya.
Can we get recorded session?
Sorry, you are not audible. I am not getting your question.
She's asking, can we have the recorded sessions like the ones that we are attending?
Oh yes, for the same you have to contact this Professor Dharmendra Singh sir. Okay, he is coordinating all this activity, so you have to contact Singh sir, and definitely you will get recording. Don't worry. Yeah. Yes, thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye and take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank
bye.
you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.